Thutha wa guikara thibitari kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ ithatu, ciana ithatu iria ciakinyĩtio thibitari-ini ya sub-county ya Molo thutha wa kuria kiibu nĩ irekereirio gucoka mucii na itiri ugwati-ini o wothe. Dagitari Bernard Warui augite igĩrĩ gatagati ga ciana ici ciakinyĩtio thibitari cirĩ na ndariri itiganĩte, ĩndĩ marigitari nĩ marahotire gucirigita ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire.
And you know, it's traditional in this country we don't consume those kind of reptiles. So whenever some of these things can be consumed, one, it creates an issue. Even if they were not poisonous, it is not part of our diet in this part of the world.
Dagitari Bernard Warui augite igĩrĩ gatagati ga ciana ici ciakinyirio thibitari cirĩ na ndariri itiganĩte, ĩndĩ madagitari nĩ makoretwo makimarora ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire.
Because they had issues, abdominal problems. They were admitted by our clinical officers, and so far they have been attended to. They have been stable. And the report I've gotten in the morning today is that they have been discharged from the facility in a very stable condition.
Nyina wa ciana ici augite aumagarite guthii gucariria ciana ciake gĩa kuria kumana na ng'aragu nene iria gumeire mĩciĩ mĩingĩ, na agicoka niguo akorire ciana ciake nĩ ireire kĩmbu.
Nilienda kibarua, tafuta kibarua, nikaenda paka usiku ya piasi ya Kereyo. Nikaa paka saa 11. Nikakuja, nikakuta amechinja kinyonga na ameweka piasi.
Nikakimbia mpaka huko kuangalia. Wakati nilifika, tukaitambua kweli watoto wanaendelea kutapika hizo nyama. Kuangalia jikoni kulikuwa na mkia kwa sufuria. Huyo kijana kuuliza akasema ni njaa.
Kuhitukira wabici ya gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Susan Kihika, family ĩno nĩ yamũkĩrĩte ũteithio wa gĩa kuria, oho akiranĩra kuhe wĩra nyina wa ciana ici.
Gavana amechukua jukumu la kumtafutia huyo mama nyumba na kumlipia rent ya hiyo nyumba ambapo ataishi na watoto wake. Vile vile gavana amemnunulia vyakula, amenunulia vitanda, amenunulia godoro na vile vile mablanketi.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.